Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your home screen view when you log in. By default, it's going to be this page with all the applications, but you can change that. If you go to Settings, Users and Companies, go to Users, click into your user, and go to Preferences. There is a menu customization called Home Action, in which whatever you set this as, it will default. What we often see sometimes is people like to just see their dashboard when they log in. So we can set that here and click Save. And then if we go back here and refresh the home page, it now automatically brings you to the dashboard. And this is specifically the accounting dashboard, but this is just an example of one of the things that you can change the view to. So whenever you log into Odoo, this is the first thing you see. So for someone that is in accounting and that's all they're ever really going to do in the system, this would be an ideal setting, because that way it brings them exactly to where they're going to be working in and would deter them from maybe even touching other parts of the system. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.